Leaving the office with Ate Charles DJI Osmo. This is our office. Tara! Hi! Yeah! Let's go!
Wait lang. Sige, balhin na to.
Oops! Thank you!
Sige,
Kita tayo. Oh, let's check dun sa bread section. Or dito, oh, yung favorite na egg sandwich. Ate Mariah, if you can see this vlog, please make sandwich. Yeah. Doon tayo sa ano? Sa bread. Huh? Reduce? Yep, maybe. The croissant. Naka-reduce na siya. Croissant! Baby croissant. Croissant. The view. Pauwi na ang mga person. Say hello. New look na siya, new look. Pagkain. Oh!
Kaya sa iikot ka pa doon.
Oo nga. Shortcut. Here they are. Lobat na siya.
Mas mabilis na. Oo. Kasi iikot ka pa doon eh.
Cinematic view. Tapos nag-grocery lang pala. Tcharam! Okay. Next time. Let's go. Yes, I forgot about that. Yay, very good. Oh, fresh. Balik na tayo sa iPhone dahil lowbat na ang ating Osmo. DJI Osmo. Busy sila, busy. Nandyan yung kimchi. And then now, continue na kami sa ibang part. Brand pala yung pinsan ko. Oh. We will continue our vlog here kasi lowbat na. Oh, snap. Yummy chocolate. Allergy ako ate, pero sa chocolate hindi ako allergy.
Ano, wala pala kami.
Choc 7 bed sheets.
Tapos na yung winter. Nagsisale yung bed sheets nila.
Ah.
Hindi ba nataon natin 5 pounds lang okay. 7 pounds lang siya.
Naka-discount na ito?
Nasa 20 plus yan something. Usually.
Okay, okay.
Per single, ano ba yung ano?
7. Distress. Oh, cute. Lalagyanan. Kailangan kaya ito ni Ate Haya? Travel? Cotton. Mahal ang cotton? Oh my gosh. Tabang. lahat ng binili namin. Si ate.
May yung green na ano?
Time to pay.
Na ilaw.
We are outside now. Let's go now. Grocery vlog in Waitrose, and now we're off to Iceland. Just there. Look at our view. Check.
Condiments. Condiments.
Parang nasa Filipino Mart. Grocery never stops. M&S naman. We will buy Coke. Ayun, zero. Charot! Where? Here. Where? That's cheap. Josephine, here. I'm vlogging as well.
This is cheaper.
That's the cheap one. This is our steak. But British beef steak, sirloin, and Cecil steaks.
Dako siya.
Ice cream.
Dako tanan ang bill. Namang isa na ay nakasulat diri direct
Hello
debit.
guys. So,
Di man siguro daw
Amazon purchase food edition. It's my kakarahi. Paano to ibutang? Here na lang. Next on the list, kimchi. Kimchi. Oh, sa'yo ang isa. Kimchi. And one more. Kimchi. Ha. Ano nangyari sa ating seaweed? May sarili pala siyang plastic. Yes! So, ito na muna ang pang-vlog. Minabaro ni Ate Shell. Should we open this now? Cucumber?
Tomorrow, pwede.
Bukas. Okay. Here are our grocery. We will end the vlog now. Bye-bye! Palabas ang mga person. We are out. Everybody, here's our Easter egg. Mag-unboxing kami sa una.
Ay, hindi pala.
Kaya open ko na akin.
Ay, okay.
Open
So,
ko na.
unboxing.
Yung flavor ng akin is salted caramel. Sa'yo, assorted.
Yeah.
Okay.
Same ata kami nililay.
Assorted din. Okay.
Yay! Thank you.
Reveal. 1, 2, Bakit may small? Ah! It's the Easter egg. Yes, ito na po siya. Na malaking itlog. Then, meron pang box sa atin. Isa pa. This one.
Oh, the
You can
small.
use stage. What's inside?
I think that 8 pieces couple.
Ah. Yan. Wow. Yay. Assorted na. The end. Thanks for watching.